All right, guys, at it again, and I'm at a new park here, different town, checking it out. Got a really lot of space. I have found silver rings here before, and I was helping out with a recovery. Had a guy when I was just out here metal detecting who was like, hey, I lost a gold earring, and we were able to find it pretty quickly, so that was pretty awesome out here in the grass. I'm gonna hit those volleyball courts and some other cool stuff. I just found a really nice high tone at 79 with the AT Pro, so I'm going to try to see what it is. It's got a little shiny color to it, so let's take a look.
Here we go.
Not sure what it is yet. I don't know. I just knew it was shiny, and that's all I knew. Looks like we may have a little pendant. A little silver pendant there. That is awesome. It's definitely got some weight to it. Look at that, guys. Very, very nice. That is sweet. Awesome. All right, first find. That's the way to go. Nice. Hey guys, yesterday I did a little bit of hunting at a park. You saw that just a moment ago, and I wasn't able to really spend a whole lot of time there. Had to get back into town. But today I'm going to go hit the old fairgrounds again, where I found quite a few things out here. Found that arrowhead right over there. Found quite a bit of silver and a bunch of wheats right over there. So I'm going to be hunting around here again, see if we can come up some more stuff and find some old coins and maybe another artifact or two. So hang on, let's see what comes up. See you in a moment. So just a little bit ago, I thought I picked up a piece of trash. I was dumping it in my box right here, and I saw this. I thought it was just going to be a piece of aluminum, but I think it's a little bell. It's got a little angel on it, but then when I turned it over, yep, Harley Davidson. It's made out of copper for sure. Not sure if it's just chrome plated or what, but that is definitely something to a bike. That is pretty awesome piece of find right there out in the field here. I'm going to keep hunting, and hopefully we can get some old stuff out of here too. See you in a moment. Well, someone was having a really bad day trying to figure out how they're going to drive home, because I found their car key. It's a Ford. They were having a bad day trying to get their car home. Not for sure what this is yet. Let's take a look together and see. It's got a little bit of a shiny edge. It could just be a clad dime. Ring up about clad dime. So, might be silver though. Let's look. Well, look at this pretty sight. Yep, it's gonna be weedy right there. Still in the coin ball there. I think we should be able to get a date off of that one. That one's pretty clean. Get my glove off here and take a look. What we got? Got a 45. Nice. Right off the bat. I think it's just gonna be a clad dime. Yep, it is showing up as a clad dime, not silver. Too bad. Well, I can't believe it. I just dug a nickel, got it cleaned up enough to get a date off of it, and look what we got. First year, 38 right there. Let's see if we got a mint mark. It's either D or S. It's the key dates. And looky there, I think we got a mint mark. It's probably gonna be a Denver. That is awesome right there. Nice old nickel. Set my detector down right there, because I have a target here was going to dig, and it would start going off crazy. And that's why we got another weedy. This one's pretty corroded, but it was laying right on the surface of all this construction, but that's pretty awesome right there. All right, let's see what's down there now. Hold on. Right where that weedy was, where I pointed to you guys at. Check this out. I think we got another weedy here. Yep. Let's see if it's clean enough on the front here. Get a date. Let me take my glove off. There we go. Let's drive on down. See what we got. one's gonna be a little tough. Pull it up more in the sunlight here and see if we can get a decent angle on it. Don't know. That's gonna be a tough one, guys. So close to getting a date off of that one, I'm pretty sure. But yeah, just doesn't want to do it. But darn close. If you guys can see it, just put it down in the comments there. That would be awesome. Otherwise, I'm gonna look under the scope. It may be a pretty old one. All right, guys, let's go to the next find and see what we get. This one rang up as an 82, pretty deep there. Don't know what it is yet, but let's take a look. On the hole. Oh, there we are. Let's see what we got. I think we got silver. We got a Merc. There we go. A nice Merc right there, guys. Let's see what year we got. 1940 something. Starting to get dark. 44. There we go. Nice silver still in the hole. Still finding silver at this old park. And doing great. So still going. Let's go find some more. See you in a moment. All right, just hit the jackpot again, guys. This was sounding really good. We got us a nickel. Last one was that 38. Let's see what we got. Ooh, look at that. I think we got a war nickel, guys. That's gonna be a 43. That is going to be a war nickel right there. And it's gonna be tough to see the letter above Monticello, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna be there. That's a 43 and a ring. Found a little junk ring pretty close to it. I didn't put it in the bag yet. So nice silver, 2 silvers now, just this evening. Really thought I was just digging up a bottle cap, but apparently not a bottle cap. That is not a bottle cap. We got us a little ring here. Not sure what the material is made out of. Could be silver. That is a tiny little ring, but man, that is awesome. Got me a little ring, guys. Sweet. Right out in my kid's place. And hit a 48. Let's see what we got. Ow. Dropped my shovel on my ankle. That didn't feel so hot. Looks like Avon. Still pretty nice little bracelet there. Nice to find some jewelry though. Pretty sweet. Well, back at it again at the campus, at the college around here. Decided to hit the field out here, and I got shiny. It rang up as 90, and yeah, we got us a ring, guys. Look at that beautiful ring right there. Nice silver ring. That is freaking awesome. It's got some good weight to it. Hope, faith, and love. Right there we go. The greatest of them is love. That is a sweet find, guys. All right, see you on the next one. Can't get any better than that. Check it out, just beautiful out here today. Hitting all the volleyball courts. Came right over here. Yeah, got me $1 instead of a quarter. That's pretty sweet. Got a dada. Let's do a wrap up of this week's video. This is all the trash finds, all the coins. Lots have changed in here. I'll have to get cleaned up. Copper, aluminum, you name it, it's in here. A lot of digging. A lot of stuff in there that I'll be going through and getting it cleaned all out. But as you can see, lots of stuff. All right, for the better finds, let's move over to here. So first up, we got this little Hot Wheels. I didn't film that one, and don't know why. Just found it, just threw it in my bag and kept going. As you guys saw earlier, we found this Harley Davidson little bell, I believe. And definitely chrome plated, pretty cool. Got some rings here. Got a little kid's ring. This one I believe is a little gold plated ring, and it's copper underneath. So, and then I found this here, a little charm. Thought it was silver at first, but then as you look at the end there, you know it's just silver plated. We did get the find from today when I was digging. Check that out, guys. Beautiful James Avery 925 ring right there. Awesome, awesome find. I also found the chain today too. It is Avon. It's probably just plated, if anything. For the coin section here, we did get quite a few Wheaties. So for the Wheaties, we did end up with a 1919. I believe it's a 1919 Denver. We had this one here. If I can get it focused, a 35, a 45, a 48 Denver. We did get a dollar coin right there. And for the silver, we got us a little mark here. 40 something, 44 I believe. We got us a 1938 Denver right there. First year Jefferson. And then we also ended up with a war nickel here, 43 Philadelphia. So yeah, turned out to be a really great hunt today, and or over the last week I should say. And we'll catch you on the next one. We're gonna head over to the next guy on the Premier train. See you over there.